Good morning, adventure seekers. Orcutt Car Show, Z28, sounding mean. Gotta like the sound of that machine. Check out this 51. Man, this is one beautiful ride. Love the color combo on this thing. It is dialed in. Beautiful. You don't see this color combo too much, but it is beautiful. Interior's done up nicely as well. Let's see what else we got around here today. Got some serious looking machines. Beauties. Beautiful rides are out. Strutting their stuff. Ford. Good looking Fords here. Check out this Ford pickup truck. Done upright. Gotta like that. Love it when you can see the engines. Like a jewel. Crown jewel sitting out there for everyone to see. Custom 10. 350. Inch. Truck. Deluxe version. Gotta like that. Chevy Impala wheelie machine. You can just sit there. That's a good looking wheelie. You gotta like that. Sierra Classic 1500. Good looking truck. What else we got around here? See what we're looking at. Beauty. Chevrolet Deluxe cruising machine. Love the blue. Good look. 1949. Still cruising the style. Little Chevy Camaro action. Like the stamps on this thing. Little street racer. Or Steve Chevy pickup. Chevy 20. Raspberry creamsicle. I love that color. Beauty. No car show complete without Mad Max Rat Rod. Fire dome. Mounted on pickup truck chassis. Not gonna see one more of these ever. One of a kind craziness machine. Another cool looking pickup truck. Like that. Like the blue. Did a good job on it. Street cruiser. That. Love the rims and tires on this one. Use the rims as weapons if you have to. Keeping that beautiful Corvette looking good. Yeah. Love a red Corvette. The beauty of a machine. Another red machine that I love is this 1933 Ford. Oh man, what a nice looking ride. That's a cool looking Chevy pickup truck. 1950 Chevrolet. They're bringing out their toys today, folks. So get on down here, corner of Clark and Bradley, every Sunday morning. See yourself some beautiful machines. This pickup truck has been restored nicely. Nice little Ford engine. Remember, every Sunday, gather up, round up some gifts to give away. All you do is bring down anything you got, car, motorcycle, any toy you got. We'll sign you up for free. Might win something. You never know. Ida's beauty of a machine. Oh, this thing's cool, man. That's right. It's a Pismo machine.
Yeah.
You could tow out all the tourists with this thing. The International.
Yeah, right here.
At the 1937 Gumby machine. It's done up nicely. Chevrolet action. Mad Bombers. Nice looking Bel Air. Love that color combo. cruising style with this machine. Back when they made cars with style. Back when man was going to the moon, everything was style like a spaceship. Pretty cool. SS. Thing looks fast even sitting there. Yes, oh yeah. 2001? Oh, that's getting old, man. You're gonna have to get yourself something new. Yeah. Yeah? Well, I wouldn't want to work on it either. I'd leave it stock. From 2009, you couldn't even touch nothing. All right. Sounds good. Yeah. Nice looking ride, that's for sure. Another Bel Air. Chevy. Classic rides here, folks. Get on down here to truly appreciate them. All right. Got the Honda street racing machines. Stay out of these youngsters' way. They have someplace to get in a hurry. Fox and Canyon Road, watch out. We're coming. It's true.
Always be 65 miles an hour now.
That's what I know. My slingshot is that way too. It's like, oh, I better watch out. Check out this BMW. Carbon fiber hood even. Looks mean. Another M3 BMW. Bringing them out today, folks. Even got a Mercedes. No matter what you got, bring it on down so we can check it out. Hear that beast running. Ah, this is a sweet machine. Cobra GT500. Sounded good when it was cruising by. Gotta like that. Love to have a car like that. We got another convertible here. Looking good. Ford Mustang. There's no car show. Complete without a little slingshot action. Everybody needs a slingshot. Do a little hunting on the road. Oh, one of my favorite dune buggies here. Love the way he painted this thing. Pretty cool. Did a good job on this little bug. Ready for Pismo with this. This is looking good. Cleaned up. Look at that. 1949 Mercury pickup truck. You don't see these too often, folks. Beautiful color. Restored nicely. Check out the engine. That engine's not messing around. So clean, you can eat off there. Beautiful.
250.
Comet Cyclone here. 302 high performance Ford. Good looking restoration. The interior's beautiful. Don't see these rides around too much. But when you do, you notice them. Cool. El Camino action. Doing good. There's dialing it in. Oh, here's one for sale. Check out this Barracuda. Barracuda. Needs a little love, but 1966 Plymouth. $5,200. This could be yours. Give them a call. Leave a message. Might be able to put this in your garage. Plymouth Barracuda. Mustang rolling in. Looking good. What else we got around here today? Got the Mercedes. 427 thrown into it. Dual carbs. This thing is a screamer. Look at that Mercedes engine. Just throw in a 427. Get her done. How you doing, my friend?
Are you in the GTOs?
Yeah, I don't own one. I'd love to own one, but I appreciate them.
Okay.
Here's the Crestliner restored to the bone. There's a GT500 right over there. Even tricking out the Hyundais here. Look at those rims and tires. Looking good. Some carbon fiber action on the front as well. Street racing machine out of your Hyundai even. What else we got over here? The GR4. Must have a magnetic engine that's drawing a crowd, folks. Looking good. Oh, what do you think, puppy? You're not liking it? Nice work truck. GR Turbo. Cool little street racer. Looking fun. Even take it golfing. Jack, beautiful machine here. Chevy. Talk about cool interior. Check out that Scorpion shifter. Jack does a good job on everything he puts together. This is no exception. One beautiful color. Love it. Line it up. One more look at this Z28. There, engine's looking good. No wonder it sounded so nice. Interior's looking good as well. Sounds good, rides good, it is good. Got the goodies. El Camino. Love that. It's like this Chevy Apache snuck in on me. Get it on video here. Check out that intake. Done up right. Quite the patina on this machine. Looks like it will get you where you need to go in a hurry. Classic look on this old Chevy. Like it. Here's one you don't see too often. TR6. Check out that 3 carburetor engine. These things are fun. Automatic. Oh yeah. Triumph TR6 with an automatic even. That's pretty rare. Don't see these around too much anymore. Definitely looks like a fun ride. Looking good. 2019 Corvette Z06 supercharged. Get you wherever you want to go in style and in a hurry. Love the car. Cool looking ride. Might as well throw a nitrous bottle in it just for the fun of it. Just in case you need to get someplace in a serious hurry. Race ready action out of this one. Looking good. Looking intake too. Beautiful. Like that. Another Ricky Racer. Look at that engine. Squeeze it in with a shoehorn. Good looking yellow Camaro convertible. Beauty of a machine. 1933. Still cruising. Cruising on out in the dune buggy. Sounding good. Love this little machine. Yeah, you do. Come here, come here. Yes, you're a good one. You're a famous pooch. You're famous now. 3 carburetor Mopar intake. Nice. Cuda.
Guess you remember that?
Beautiful Cuda. Gotta like this baby. You're never too old for a Honda. It's a couch with a cruising in style with this baby. Adventure machine. Striker. Head on out. Road runner. Classic Plymouth. Yellow machine. Beauty too. Love to have this one. This thing will get you there. 383 power plant. Heading down the road in style. Another Plymouth with the patina. Cruising on out. Love that paint job, man. Keeping it looking good. Beautiful machine. Treat her nice. All right, fire this bad boy up. Looks like this one's even for sale. There you go. Give him a call. It's too good to be yours.